Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add videos to LifterLMS lessons inside of courses. So to get started, I'm going to head to Courses on the admin sidebar here. Then I'm going to go into the Course Builder on a course, and I'll do that by hovering over one of my courses and clicking Builder. From here, I'm going to expand all. You can also just expand the section you're looking for, but I'll just expand all here so I can see all the lessons. And I will go to edit a lesson by hovering over and seeing these options pop up. And I'll click the W, which is the WordPress logo, for Open the Lesson Editor. That'll open in a new tab for me. And now I can edit this lesson, and we'll see what pops up here. Awesome. You can see I do have some sample content in here, and I do have a video. This is the first way you can add a video in. In the basic WordPress Gutenberg here, I can go to this plus at the top corner, and I can type in video, and there's a video block. I'll click on that, and I have three options. I can upload a video, insert one from my media library, or what I'm going to do here is insert one from a URL. So I'll click there, and I'll need to go get my video URL. I'll just take this video URL, I'll copy the link address, and then I'll paste it right in here and embed that there. So now this video is in my LifterLMS lesson, and now I'll show you the second way you can add a video to a LifterLMS lesson. As you can see, if we scroll down on the page to the lesson settings, we have these general settings, and the first one is video embed URL. Rather than putting it in the content here, I can paste the video right there, and it'll embed it automatically in the lesson. So what I'll do is I'll preview the lesson here to see what this looks like. All right, here we go. So we can see the video I embedded right there. It's going to appear above the lesson content, and as you can see there, I have a second video that's actually part of the lesson content. But so those are the two ways you can add a video into a LifterLMS lesson. Feel free to drop any suggestions for videos you want to see in the future down in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.